Hello, in front of me I've got Skoda Citigo. In this video I'll show you how to check engine oil level. In the beginning, park your car on the flat surface and let it rest for 15 minutes. This will allow the engine oil to flow down to the reservoir. Then prepare microfiber cloth or other thing you can use to wipe the dipstick. Remove it, clean it and place it back. Remove it again and the oil level should be between here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.